If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, we've got the Desert Eagle 50 caliber. We're going to field strip it, disassemble, reassemble. We're checking the chamber. Magazine, well, it is unloaded. I'm going to go ahead and drop this slide back. Dropped it back down. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to push this button. But while we push that button, we're going to push this button and then we're going to release this lever right there. Alright, you saw that popped apart. Pull that off just like that. And then the slide is literally just going to go forward. Alright, the frame fully disassembled. The spring is just going to come out like that. And this little pin right here will pop out. And that is fully disassembled for cleaning. And this desperately needs cleaning. So now we're going to put it back together. As we put it back together, this frame, notice one thing, that on your little grooves right here, the frame is all the way up here. So you're going to sit it in just like this, all the way up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that in. If you look down in here, you've got those two holes. But your springs have to go down in those holes. So while we're reassembling it, we've got to make sure to wiggle them to make sure they go down into those holes. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in right here. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Then I'm going to take my spring and I'm going to go ahead and start my spring as well. Sliding it down on the inside. Now I'm going to take this little thing. Now if you see that little groove goes down. So when I put it in, and it's also got a right there where it goes down. We're going to start sliding it back. Now we're going to take the spring and we're going to pull the spring back forward. You want it slid just enough. Now when you get that groove down, you're going to twist it a little bit so it kind of locks into that spring. I don't know that y'all can see it. Alright, you see how it is there? Right there where it's that right there, that groove goes just like that. When you go down, it's gonna, part's gonna go in, it's gonna kind of lock it in, sort of. So I'm gonna go here. Alright, now it's seated, it's in. Just right there. Now I'm gonna slide this all the way back. Again, I've got to get my springs down in here. I've got to wiggle them. If you don't, it won't allow it to go all the way back. So I've got to wiggle them. Alright, if you can see that, they're down in there. Alright, so we wiggled that. Now, you got two little grooves there. This part goes down in those grooves. So we're just going to sit it down in, and it should very easily come all the way back. Now with it all the way back, pushing all the way, I'm going to push this pin up, pushing the pin up, and I'm going to move that forward, move that up as well, just like that. I'm going to pull the slide, click, slide, click, and that's good to go. It's ready to be loaded and fired. This is the Desert Eagle 50. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.